How to get virtual card on Monese. If you want to apply for a virtual card on Monese, which is completely free by the way, it's quite simple to do so. Just make sure to launch the Monese application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now from here, first of all, you have to make sure to actually ask you a couple of questions, right? Are you depositing cash regularly or anything as such? Once you fill out those questions, you have to choose a plan that's right for you. So once you choose a certain plan, here if I select a simple plan, the simple plan also has one of those virtual cards. So I select that, and once then it will say free virtual card, right? So I can select create a virtual card option. I can confirm my address by giving access to location and confirm that I'm at my home. Then tap the confirm button there. Once done, if the verification has failed, it will show you, but you can always try again and be present as a registered residential address, and your virtual card will be ready to use. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically get or apply for a virtual card on Monese. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.